If you want to strengthen your core, don't just do sit-ups. There's an entire muscle complex that's beneath your body that is actually part of the core too. Let's talk about the pelvic floor muscles. So what are they? Where are they? And what do they do? So the pelvic floor muscles are a group of muscles that holds up all your organs in your pelvic area. It prevents urine and fecal leakage. It also holds your pelvis together and all your sexual organs. In most cases, women tend to focus a lot in the belly area during the pregnancy and especially after pregnancy. And we'll always find ways to how to make the belly smaller, how to shrink my tummy, things like this. But they often forget about the pelvic floor muscles. A neglected pelvic floor muscle can actually cause a lot of issues. It can cause things like urine leakage, muscle dysfunction, pain during intercourse, or even organ prolapse. So these problems can happen either very early in the postpartum stage or much later in your older life. Either way, all these issues can be easily prevented if every woman have this piece of information and one less worry in their life. There are a few things to look at in the recovery of pelvic floor muscles. So firstly, there are so many questions that we need to ask before we jump into any treatment or exercises. Firstly, of course, is the history of your delivery. So what kind of delivery? Was it natural? Was it C-section? When you did the natural delivery, was there tear? Was there complication? Do you know the degree of your tear? What did the doctor do? Has it recovered? Any issues with the tear? So there are so many questions that we need to know and we need to ask it to understand your body. Maybe you had a C-section. So we need to know things like if you had a urine leakage, or you are currently having urine leakage, or if you have other issues in the pelvic floor muscles. Also, the C-section affects the abdominal muscles. Did you know that the abdominal muscles are somehow connected to your pelvic floor? So if you have a C-section, it doesn't mean that you don't have issues in your pelvic floor muscles. Oh, and definitely don't start to worry about how your abs look like after pregnancy. Get the pelvic floor strengthened up, get the foundation right, and then we worry about the aesthetics later on. If you're planning for a natural delivery or recently had a natural delivery, you can watch this video. Or if you are planning for a C-section or recently had a C-section, then you can watch this video. If you think that this information is important and it's something to help maybe a loved one or family, please feel free to share it with them. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.